Easy Voice Recorder is an Android application designed for recording high-quality audio effortlessly. This app is particularly useful for various purposes, including capturing lectures, meetings, interviews, or personal notes. The interface is user-friendly, allowing users to start and stop recordings with just a few taps. It typically supports multiple audio formats, enabling users to choose the best option for their needs, such as MP3 or WAV. Additionally, the app often offers features like automatic cloud backup, ensuring that recordings are safely stored and easily accessible. Users can also benefit from various editing options, allowing them to trim recordings or enhance audio quality. Easy Voice Recorder may include features for organizing and categorizing recordings, making it easier to find specific files later. Overall, Easy Voice Recorder is a versatile tool that simplifies the process of audio recording, providing efficiency and flexibility for users who need reliable and high-quality sound capture on their Android devices.